We needed some more lint removers, you know, the sticky ones. And I went over to Amazon and they suggested this little gadget here. It's a lint remover, an electric one. So I figured I'd go ahead and try it. So we're unboxing it now. It's pretty snug in there, but we got it out. It comes with a little brush that just fell out and the lint remover and a charger. So we're going to go ahead and charge it up a little bit. It kind of came already mostly charged for the most part. But yeah, I wanted to see if it was much better. You know, it'll probably save long term on getting those lint removers. So we're just testing it out. And my son here has his shirt out that he's testing. It has a whole bunch of lint balls on it. He had got this blanket that just shedded all types of pieces of lint on it. And so it's picking it up without much effort. And if you know anything about leggings, they tend to attract a lot of lint, and then those little lint balls get on there. So I'm testing it out on my leggings that I have on, and I'm going to go ahead and do it on a low speed at first. So I'm going to try it out on low speed and see if you notice much of a difference. I do it in circular motions. I don't know if you have to, but that's kind of how I'm doing it. And this is the second speed. There are 3 speeds, so we're going to try all 3. And you can see it's picking up a lot more on that second one. And now the third one is picking it up a lot better as well. And there you go. So it picks up the lint really nice. And I like that versus the sticky pads. It does get all the lint balls off of there. And so you can, you know, get those off without a problem. You don't have to pick at them or anything like that. So I do recommend this product. I really like it. I will be keeping it and probably buying another one for around the house, you know, different rooms and stuff like that. So because it does come in handy. It's really good on your bedding as well. We tried it on our bedding. I would definitely recommend picking it up instead of buying those sticky pads. You're going to save some money in the long run. So I'll leave a link down in the description or in my bio. Depending on where this is posted, it'll be there if you look for it. And this is emptying it out just so you can see what all comes out of it, just from us testing it out a few times. Quite a bit is in there, but yeah, easy to clean, no hassle. I hope you enjoy this product.